tight. Hold on tight.
Good job. You're doing great. See, it's not so bad.
You've gone longer than me already.
Good job. Hold on real tight. We're going to spin you around a few times, okay?
Go faster.
Good job.
Hang on, let him get used to it.
You can handle it a little faster. I think you can. Look like a pretty strong dude. I bet you could. I bet you
Hold on
could.
tight.
How about this? We'll try it a little faster, and if you don't like it, we can turn it back down. Is that cool? All right, I'm gonna hold on real tight for me, okay?
Hold on
We're
tight,
gonna turn it
buddy.
up a little bit. Good job.
Woo.
You can do it.
Squeeze with your legs.
There you go. Good job, buddy. Perfect. Good job.
You got it. Get that bull.
Good job, cowboy. Alright. It's not so bad. You're
Beat
doing
that
great.
bull. Beat the bull. Beat the bull.
Good job. Stay on that bull. You're doing so good.
Beat the bull, Levi.
Oh, yeah, sweetie. Give me 2 seconds. Good job, Levi. Hold on tight with those legs. Squeeze tight, okay?
She's going to make you go a
Ready?
little bit faster.
All right.
Woo,
Good
get that
job.
bull, get that bull.
Good job.
That is the biggest I've seen him. Woo!